Namaste, I'm Dr. Shashikala Rao. Today's topic is to identify some similarities and differences between the two zodiac signs Aries and Scorpio ruled by Mars. We have 12 Rashis in the natural zodiac. In the natural zodiac, every planet has dual lordship, that is lord of two Rashis except Sun and Moon. Mars is the ruling planet of Aries and Scorpio. Aries is the first sign of Mars and first sign of the natural zodiac. Scorpio is the second sign of Mars and the eighth sign of the natural zodiac. Mars is identified as tamasic, fiery, kshatriya, commander-in-chief, dictator, the planet of action. Both Arian and Scorpion are fighters, but the fighting style is different. The ram is the astrological symbol of Aries. People who belong to Aries fight straightly in the open field, that is head-to-head fight. Mars is identified as a fiery and male planet. Aries signifies fire and male sign. Arian have independent thinking, takes the independent decision and quick decision, may be right or wrong, that is different. For example, in the war field or battlefield, if the enemy changes the attacking strategies or plan of action and then Arian does not wait for the king's order, immediately he replans and changes the strategies of fighting and takes the decision to attack the enemies. Arian possess the leadership qualities to initiate any agitation or fight for a cause. Arian won't like to become king but like to be commander-in-chief. The Scorpio is the astrological symbol of Scorpio. People who belong to Scorpio do not fight straightly, often turn away from the head-on attack. Wait for the time to fight. Scorpion will never give up nor surrender but will fight for the last minute. They will fight up to the end even if the battle is a losing one. Even if the situation comes, they stand alone and fight. They are self-made. Scorpio is an animal that is known for its ability to defend itself. Scorpion can hold a grudge unendingly. Scorpion is like extremists. Scorpion will be the best friend or the worst enemy. Scorpio is a female and watery sign. Water knows how to make a way to flow even if any obstruction comes. It will find the path to reach the goal. Scorpion possesses more patience. At the same time, it has a fighting spirit. They judge the strength and weakness of the opponent, then only they react. Scorpion converts the difficult situation into an opportunity. They are very practical in their approach. Aries is a sign of positive, having the ability to handle the emergency situations directly with courage and without any fear. Scorpio is a negative sign. Scorpion executes the action with plan. Scorpion can backbite. Scorpio keeps the sting in its tail. They react with retaliatory stings. These people tend to override and keep others under control. Do not like to boss over them, but they like to boss over others. They know how to control others, but difficult to control themselves. They do not hesitate to pass sarcastic remarks. Aries is a movable sign. Arian have power to adjust to any circumstances. They are dynamic in nature and they have marvelous ability to handle the emergency situations. They have independent nature. Aries is a fiery sign, represents abundant energy. Aries is a more action-oriented sign. Arian are bold and impulsive, active, ambitious, aggressive, egoistic, courageous, goal-oriented, target-minded, and frank. They have good planning ability and takes the risk for others. Arian have strong willpower, self-confident, and self-esteem. They are ambitious people, want to make money. They do not take suggestions from others, but act only according to their judgment. They do not like subordination. They trust in their thought and action. They are short-tempered, no patience. They want to execute immediately. They don't know how to deal with anger and control it. They are fond of argument and debates. They never hesitate to pick up a quarrel. Arian gets bored in long-term plans, prefers short-term job because of quick action and executive ability. They are well suited for short-term plans projects. They need a break while working continuously. They like to take up fresh venture before completing the work at hand. Because of the movable sign, they feel difficult to stay in one place for a long time. They are fond of traveling. Scorpio is a watery and fixed sign. A person with this sign has a fertile imagination and strong determination. Water is a substance without stability. Scorpion is sentimental, sensitive, and emotional. They need care and affection in return. They are bold, active, and strong. They cannot sit idle. They complete the job without rest or relaxation. They speak less but believe more in action. They exhibit a stubborn nature. They have a special quality of patience and fighting spirit. Scorpion concentration level and determination are good, which guarantees the successful completion of their goals. They make up their mind to do anything. They will keep on working with remarkable patience and persistence until success comes to them. They have very high analytical power. Sometimes Scorpions put off things to the last moment. They can prepare in the 11th hour and come out successful. Sometimes Scorpion horses start last but win the race. They are loyal and faithful to one who believes them. They know how to make money but they do not know how to save it. They spend in advance, wait for the return. Aries is a sign of Dharma or fire. Dharma of fire is to burn without any prejudice. Aries is more action oriented. Aries is not a sentimental and emotional sign. Scorpio is a sign of moksha. Purification of self is very much needed for self-correction and self-improvement. Aries is the first sign of the natural zodiac. The native born in this sign generally very ambitious. They think of self. Scorpio is the 8th sign of the natural zodiac. Shows interest in the occult and spiritual experiments. They are good research workers. They do not simply accept any theory. They hate liars, dishonesty, hate gossips, loose talks, and blackmailing. They want to dig the truth. Ultimate goal is to bring all that hidden things into the light. It is all about transformation. 8th house is Scorpio for Aries. It is a house of difficulties. It signifies obstacles, accidents, surgery, misery, suddenness, windfall, and death. 8th house allows self-cleansing, the dirt of past birth which are accumulated. So, one can get transformation realizing the self. The 8th house is hidden house. Scorpio signifies the regeneration which takes reshape, reformation and reconstruction. This is the hidden agenda of the hidden house. All problems we face in the present life are due to bad karma done in past births. It helps in the purification of the soul. It is the house of secret vidya or occult knowledge. The 6th house is the Aries for Scorpio. The 6th house lord is Mars. Sixth house indicates enemies, runa, litigation, illness, competition, etc. Aries represents red. Red demands attention. It is the color of excitement and assertion. Aries is a sign that doesn't like to be ignored. Scorpio represents black. Black represents the deep, dark and mysterious. Black may also denote death. Scorpio is a Kita sign and resides in holes. Scorpio is very secretive. Scorpion appear to be frank, plain and blunt, but they keep secrets. They never underestimate the enemy's force. They keep the trump card to save themselves. They keep important things undisclosed. Scorpion is a very good spy. Aries represents Pitta nature and Scorpio represents Kapha nature. The imbalance of bile can be expected more in Arian and the imbalance of Kapha can be expected more in Scorpion. If we consider the Jala Pramana, Aries is a fiery sign. It indicates dry nature and it is considered as a barren sign. Scorpio is a watery sign, so it indicates wet nature and it is considered a fertile sign. Aries rising from back, so it is called Prishtodaya Rashi. Scorpio rising with their head, so it is called Shishyodaya Rashi. Aries represents Dhatu, that is metals and minerals, and Scorpio represents Mula, that is roots of plants and trees. Aries represents places such as mountains, hills, forests, pasture land, dry and sandy land. Scorpio represents place where poisonous creatures live. Regarding the direction, Aries indicates the east direction and Scorpio indicates the north direction. Aries represents quadruped and Scorpio represents multiped. Regarding parts of the body of Kalapurusha, Aries rules the head region and Scorpio rules the genital region. In Chaturvarna, Aries represents Kshatriya Varna and Scorpio represents Brahmana Varna. Out of 27 nakshatras, 4 padas of Ashwini nakshatra, 4 padas of Bharani nakshatra and first pada of Kritika nakshatra falls in Mesha Rashi. 4th pada of Vishakha nakshatra, 4 padas of Anuradha nakshatra and 4 padas of Jesha nakshatra falls in Scorpio Rashi. Regarding profession, Aryans are commanders, executives, surgeons, managers, enterprisers, work in military and paramilitary forces, police, etc. Scorpions are administrators, politicians, advocates, chemists, detectives. Most of the Scorpion are political leaders. The keyword used by the Aryan is I am and the keyword used by the Scorpion is I desire. Now, you know the general characteristics of Aries and Scorpio signs ruled by the same ruler, that is Mars. Analyze how will be a match between Aries and Scorpio sign. Each sign shows the strength and weakness or exhibits the positive and negative traits. Depending upon the influence of the planets on these signs, Aries and Scorpio, the characteristics will be modified. Thanks for watching this video. Namaste.